What is workflow automation in Notion?
Workflow automation in Notion is the process of using tools to reduce manual tasks by automating routine processes. This means you can set up Notion to automatically handle recurring actions, like moving tasks, updating databases, or sending reminders. The goal is to save time, eliminate repetitive steps, and keep your workspace running smoothly with less effort.
Built-in automation features.
Notion provides built-in features for simple automation. Rules like database templates, roll-ups, relations, and recurring tasks help you standardize processes. For example, templates automatically create pre-filled pages for meeting notes. Relations and roll-ups allow information to update across connected databases. These tools streamline everyday tasks without needing any extra software.
Using third-party automation tools.
Third-party tools expand Notion's automation power. Services like Zapier, Make, and Automate.io connect Notion to other apps. With these, you can create triggers, such as automatically adding emails, calendar events, or to-dos to Notion. They let you set up complex, multi-step workflows that keep all your productivity apps in sync.
Popular workflow examples.
Common automations include creating new tasks from emails, syncing deadlines with your calendar, or archiving completed projects automatically. You might also use automations to gather form responses, generate reports, or assign tasks based on priority. These workflows help ensure nothing slips through the cracks and that your information stays organized.
How to get started.
Start by identifying repetitive tasks in your Notion workspace. Use Notion's built-in templates, buttons, and database features for simple automations. For more advanced workflows, try connecting Notion to other apps using tools like Zapier or Make. Test and refine your systems regularly to build a workspace that stays efficient as your needs evolve.